All right, hello everybody. This is Vincent St. Louis with you.Get. Real quick, we're going to walk you through how to set up your WordPress blog. So let's get rid of this. Let me take you to empoweryou.com so you can see what we're about and see our website, what you're going to look like when you get there. So the first thing I want to do is I want to walk you through actually how to log into your blog. Actually, there's three ways that you can get to your blog, and I'm going to share with you my recommendation to you. Okay, one is you can go to empowernetwork.com and just log in right here. Okay, once you go to log in, it's going to send you to your back office of Empower Network. Now, what I would recommend is once you go to this site right here that you see, is save that into your favorites. If you're using Google Chrome, you just click over here on this star. If you're using Mozilla, then save it in Mozilla. Whatever you're using, save this page. Okay, it's like I've got it right here. Okay, this is the page that I always go to log in. So all I've got to do is go to my favorites, and I've got it right here. Fast Start Training is what I saved it as, and boom, instantly it takes me right here to this page where I can log in. Okay, the other way to get there is once you get to the login page. Okay, once you log in, and now you're in your Empower Network back office, and then you click to log in and start blogging. Okay, excuse me. Okay, now this page right here, once it loads, hang on, I want to log out because I want to show you what you want you to save. That's not getting me where I want to go. Anyways, what I do is I just save this. It's basically empowernetwork.com / your username wp-login.php PHP. Okay, and this I save this so basically when I go to log in, I don't have to go to all those other sites. Basically all I have to do if I want to go to my blog is I'm going to log in right there. You can see I've got the dashboard I've got many other websites. Okay, so that's the one thing. Okay, now once you get into your blog, there's something I want you to do real quick that is going to be up to you. And if you're familiar with WordPress blogging, is you're gonna set it up differently. Excuse me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of easy mode right up here. This is the mode that I'm more familiar with, and so if yours looks different, then you just need to come back here and activate easy mode, and yours is going to look different than, it's going to be this way. The more familiar you are with your WordPress blog is going to be determined on which mode you like. Okay, so basically every WordPress blog out there has the dashboard will look like this next screen as soon as it loads here in just a minute. Come on, open. Oh, it's really slow. I'm clicking back and forth too many times. Let's go. There we go. So, grief. I get impatient. I start clicking stuff. Okay, so this is the dashboard. So what we're going to go through right now is once you get in your dashboard, we're going to help you to set up a couple of things. Okay, we showed you how to log in. We showed you how to click and get rid of the easy mode and into the what would be called, I guess it'd be an advanced mode. I'm not really sure what this is called, but this is what most internet marketers or bloggers will use. Okay, next is we're going to go to your site title and your description. So you're going to go way down here to settings. Okay, if you put your cursor over it, your settings will come up, and then you're just going to go to general right here. Okay, now once you get in this general, the only two things that you're going to mess with in here is your site title and your tagline. Okay, you can go through a couple of things here. I've got people that have brick and mortar businesses. Let's say you're selling hammers, or let's say you're in real estate or whatever. So you might have the name of your real estate company, who you are, what you do, helping to sell real estate in the Sacramento area or whatever. For me, it's just Vincent Carey St. Louis Internet marketing and network marketing experts. Okay, you can have whatever tagline you want. What you don't want to do is just write a bunch of little keywords like internet marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, SEO expert. You know, you want to have it a phrase, what's actually, I think it's called a long tail keyword phrase, but you definitely want to have some keywords in there depending on what you're blogging about. Okay, and then the other is you know, just a little tagline. You know, mine is right here. It says building a business while having a life. You know, you just do whatever you want and you're done with that. Of course, you put in maybe the email address that you want your emails to go to on anything associated with your blog. Then once you get that done, you want to make sure you come down here to the bottom and click save. Okay, you have to click save, otherwise what you've just done will not stick. Okay, now I'm not going to click save because of course I didn't make any changes. Okay, the next one you're going to do is go down here once again and scroll down. Now remember, when you're in normal mode, okay, you're going to have to click over settings and go to one of these. But once you've gone to one, then that, of course, that menu bar will stay there. So what we're going to do right now is actually go to, let me see, where is that? I think that's in settings also. Sorry, I got to find this one. I don't remember where it is. It's been so long since I've been in here, but it's really important that you do this. Golly, it's really going slow. Oh, here, I know where it is. It's in privacy. Where is privacy? There it is. Okay, here we go. So this is the next thing you're going to want to do, guys. You're going to want to change your privacy settings. Okay, the normal, basic, default in all Empower Network blogs. So when you open up your blogs, if you're new, then you're going to want to do this. If you've been in Empower Network for a while, you need to make sure that this is not clicked, because normal is ask search engines not to index the site. This is a normal, a default that Empower Network puts in there, because they don't. A lot of people will start a website or a blog and they'll never change anything. So it's just a bunch of duplicate content, because the stuff that's on your website is just basically set up there from Empower Network. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to definitely want to click this to allow search engines to index your site, and then click save. Okay, so then the next thing we want to do, once again, that's down here under privacy right here. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is to click on permalinks. Okay, click on your permalinks right down here, and what we're going to do is this is what's going to show up in your address bar of your blog post. Every post is either going to show up, now the default is going to be Empower Network username and then a number, you know, like 123, you know, 1234, 12, you know, it's just going to be a number on your post. Now you don't want that for search engines reasons and for visual you want it to look good. You want the name of your post. Okay, so the standard is going to be right here. You will normally have a /, I believe it's /blog, then your /% post name %. Okay, what I do is I get rid of the blog, and all I want is my post name. So let me show you what I mean by my post name. Let me go to, no, I don't want to go there. I want to go to my blog. Okay, here's my blog, and what I'm sharing with you is if you go to one of your posts, right here it's going to have Empower Network, and then you want the name of your post to be right in here in part of the address. Okay, if you do not change this, it's actually, instead of it showing you know, my story about, you know, the Hostess Twinkies company going out of business, it's going to have just a number right there. So you want to change this to custom. You can keep the blog in there if you want. You want to remove it, and then make sure you push in save changes once again. So let me see, I think that covers everything on this video. So once again, my name is Vincent St. Louis with 2empoweryou.com, your source, your one-stop shop for all your Empower Network needs. And so we'll get on the next video and we'll walk you through the next steps of getting your WordPress, your Empower Network blog set up.